Sir, kanina nabanggit mo yung about sa cybersecurity. Gaano po ka-hack-free itong blockchain technology po na to? Especially budget yung pinag-uusapan.
Okay, yung blockchain naman was created by cybersecurity specialist. Kung babalikan nyo yung history ng Bitcoin, isa sa mga kauna-unahang blockchain na sumikat, encrypted na yan eh. At the same time, the systems themselves, hindi mo mababasa yung, well, makikita mo yung hash code, pero hindi mo ma-reverse engineer yung, yung content niya. So, and to date, right now, yung chain itself, wala pa akong alam na na-hack. Usually, ang na-hack yung mga surrounding systems around it. So, it's a cybersecurity first system. It was designed to be secure from the start.
So, sir, safe sabihin hack-free po siya?
Oo, so far. Oo.
100% po?
Ay, 101 muna.